Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. So, leg cramping is pretty common during pregnancy, especially in the second and third trimester during nighttime. You could be getting leg cramps because of decreased blood flow in the legs as the weight of the baby increases. Some other reasons could be deficiencies in calcium and magnesium, or even due to dehydration. So, make sure that you're having your supplements and foods rich in calcium and magnesium. Also, keep yourself hydrated by having at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Keep yourself active to keep the blood flowing. And of course, the exercise that we are going to do today will help you to relieve these cramps specifically. You can do these right before you're going to bed, and you can also do them during the day. All right, let's start.
Let us start with a quick warm-up. Come to a seated position with your legs extended in front. Taking support of your hands, straighten your back. Roll your shoulders back and down. We will start with some ankle exercises. First, point your toes forward and try to bring them as close to the ground as possible. Then flex your feet so that the toes point towards you. Again, point your toes and then flex them. Let's do 8 more of these. Keep breathing while you're doing this. Make sure your knees are straight. And we are done. Next, we'll do some ankle rotations. Start rotating your toes in clockwise direction. We'll do 10 rounds. Try to make the circles as big as possible. Keep breathing. And we are done. Let's do 10 in the opposite direction. Make sure you're not bending your knees. And we are done. Next, bend your right knee and bring the right foot to the inside of the left thigh. Now take a belt or a long scarf and loop it around the top of your left foot. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, start pulling the end of the belt towards yourself and flex the left foot as much as you can. You can also do this while sitting in a chair. Keep breathing. Keep your left knee straight and feel the nice stretch in your left calf muscle. Slowly let go. Let's repeat it on the other side. Straighten the right leg and fold the left knee to bring it on the inside of the right thigh. Loop the belt around the right foot. Inhale and straighten the right knee. As you exhale, flex the right foot. Maintain the stretch for a few breaths. And slowly let go. Very good. Now turn around and come into a tabletop position with your wrists below your shoulders and knees below the hips. Then straighten your left leg and curl in the left foot. From here, start pushing the left heel away from the knee. Keep pushing the heel out and feel the stretch along the back of the left foot. Keep breathing. Look forward and push your shoulders away from the ears. Try to maintain a neutral spine by tucking the tailbone and holding your belly in. Slowly release and switch sides. Straighten the right leg and push the heel out. Keep breathing and maintain your posture as you push the right heel out. Slowly let go. Finally, for the last stretch, turn around and lie down on your back. Bend your right knee and lift the right foot off the ground. Now loop your belt or scarf around the right foot. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, straighten the right knee. Ensure the left leg stays on the ground. Keep the right foot flexed so that the toes are pointing towards your face, and keep pulling the belt towards yourself. Feel the stretch at the back of the right leg. Slowly come down. Let's switch legs and repeat this for the other side. Bend the left knee and loop the belt around the left foot. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, straighten the left knee. Breathe into the stretch. This stretch will also help you to release any tension in the lower back. Slowly release and bring the left foot down. These 3 stretches can be done anytime during the day and should help in relieving your leg cramps. Hope you found this useful. Do subscribe to the channel to stay updated about new videos. Take care and bye-bye.